morning, everyone. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you. How
All
are
right.
you, ma'am?
I'm doing good. Thank you very much. Thank you. My dear students, in the previous session, we have understood lesson number 9. That is a poem titled, "Oh Nani, Tell Me a Tale." Oh Nani, tell me a tale. But it's been some days that we have tried to understand that poem. So we will do it once again and then we will continue with the remaining part. All right?
Ma'am?
Yes? The title of the poem is, "Oh Nani, Tell Me a Tale." Please mute your devices. Somebody's device is not muted. Oh Nani, tell me a tale. Let me remind you once again that the word Nani is taken from the Hindi language, which means grandmother. The meaning of the word Nani is grandmother. This poem, "Oh Nani, Tell Me a Tale," is about a little child and her grandmother. And in the poem, the child is requesting her grandmother to tell her or narrate stories about many different things to the child, to her. Okay. So as per the poem, the child is requesting her grandmother to tell her stories about a friendly dog that wags its tail, and she also wants to hear stories about hills and valleys and forests which are green in color because of the densely covered trees and grass in the forest. Okay. Then the child also wants to listen to stories about little fairies and their queen. About what? The little fairies and their queen. Then the child once again requests her grandmother to tell her stories about lions and tigers, as well as ships that sail on the water. Lions and tigers and ships that sail on water. She also wants to hear stories about heroes or brave people who win wars, who fight bravely and win the wars. Then she also wants to hear stories about the sun, the moon, and the stars. Then she tells her grandmother, "Oh, my dear grandma, I feel so happy to listen to your stories. I get to learn so many things from the stories that you tell me that I will never be able to forget the stories that you narrate, especially after sunset." So, my dear students, I hope you are able to recollect what time of the day does the grandmother narrate stories to her grandchild? What time of the day the grandmother narrates? Yes, yes, after sunset. The grandmother relates stories to her grandchild after sunset. And does the grandchild enjoy listening to these stories?
Yes.
Yes, she says that she loves listening to her grandmother's stories and that she would never be able to forget them. She would never be able to forget these stories at all because she enjoys listening to them, and at the same time she learns many things from these stories. Now, my dear students, I hope everybody is able to recollect what we have learned in the previous session. Yes?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So good. Now I request everybody to mute their devices. I want some of you to tell me about what all does the little girl want to hear stories. About what all? Nobody will speak in between. Please maintain discipline in the class. Okay. One thing you have to tell me. Think and tell me. Irene, unmute. Tell me one thing that the child wants to hear stories about from her grandmother.
The child wants to hear about
stories
a
about.
friendly dog that wags its tail.
Very good. The child wants to hear stories about a friendly dog that wags its tail. Okay, good, Irene. Thank you. Ritvik, tell me another thing that the child wants to hear stories about. Ritvik, come on, be fast.
Oh, Nani.
Don't read. I'm asking you to tell me one thing that the child wants to hear stories about. Don't read. Just tell me in your own words. One more time.
Sun and
Yes.
moon and
Huh?
star.
Yes, very good. The child wants to listen to stories about the sun, the moon, and the stars. Well done, Ritvik. Thank you. Malavika, please add to it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Of heroes who win wars.
Very good. The child wants to hear stories about heroes who fight bravely and win wars. Very good. Thank you. Aisha, add to it. What else does the child want to hear stories about?
Heroes and valleys.
Sorry? Hills and valleys.
Hills and valleys.
And something else also is added to it.
Hills and valleys.
And
Lions
and forests. There is one more word in that line itself. What is that? Hills and valleys and
forest.
green forest. Yes, Aisha? Green forest.
Green forest.
Yes, very good, Aisha. Thank you. Prarthana, add more to it. Aarti, wait.
Heroes.
Prarthana, yes. Sorry? The child wants to hear stories about?
A friendly dog that wags.
No, that is already said. That is why I said pay attention.
Fairies and queens.
Little fairies and their queen. Queen. Say it again.
Queen.
Little fairies and their queen. Little fairies and their queen. Yes. Okay. So now I think we have covered all the topics on which the child wants to hear stories, right? Yes? Yes or no? Do you have any doubts about the poem?
No, ma'am.
No? Sure?
Ma'am?
Yeah.
We have to study this. Ma'am?
Learn the poem? Yes.
Write the poem.
I will give you the instructions. As of now, we will just learn it by repeatedly reciting it. Okay. Now, Sarah, unmute your device and read the first stanza one more time. Sarah, come on. Let's do it again. Riza, page number 3. Mute your device.
Tell me a story of a
Of a, not a.
friendly friendly dog that
Yes.
that
WAGS. Wags.
wags its tail.
Wags its
Tail.
wags its tail.
Tail.
Wags its tail. Okay, continue.
Of HILLS. Horse.
HILLS. Hills.
Hills.
Take help of the letter sounds to read. Hills. Hills.
Hills and
Yeah. Sir.
And forest green.
Valleys. Valleys.
Valleys and forest green.
Hmm.
Little fur or e r e a s.
S. Sir. Fairies. Fairies.
Fairies
Hmm.
and her
There.
their
There.
king
Hmm. Queen.
queen
Queen.
queen
Queen.
queen.
Yes, very good. Thank you.
Anyone?
Junaita, continue with the second stanza.
Oh, Nani, tell me a tale of lions and tigers and ships that fail, of heroes who win wars, and the sun, moon, and stars. Who earn money, I will never forget the tales I hear after sunset.
The tales I hear after sunset. Oh, Nani, I will never forget the tales I hear after sunset. Okay, very good. Thank you. Now, my dear students, let us continue with the exercises. Let us discuss the meanings of important words and then we will move ahead with the question answer part. Okay?
Right?
Yeah, I request everybody to take their textbook and be on page number 3. You already have the textbook with you, right? Take page number 3. Adel and unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
The first word, T-A-L-E, tail.
Meaning story.
Story, very good. Spelling?
S-T-O-R-Y.
Yes, very good. T-A-L-E, tail means story. S-T-O-R-Y, story. Okay. Did everybody finish writing?
Yes,
We have
ma'am.
discussed this before, right? Yes. Okay. Okay. Fine. Now, the next word is sail. Joanne, tell me the meaning of sail. S-A-I-L, sail. Two. What is sail? Ships sail on the seas.
Ship says.
Now, what is the meaning of sail? I just gave you an example. Sail.
Journey.
What is the meaning of sail?
To move on water by ship.
Others mute. Yes, Joanne. What is the meaning of sail?
To move on water by ship or boat.
Okay, very good. Instead of using the word move, we will write travel. Oh, yeah, I'm right. Travel on water. Travel on water. Sail means to travel on water.
To
Travel on water. Why are we using the word on here? On. Think, how do the boats and ships move? Do they move on the water or in the water?
on the water.
On the water, on the top or on the surface of the water. That is why the meaning of sail is travel on water. Travel on water. Okay. Yes, Aiden.
This notice
Sorry?
what the group is sent.
Yes, I will. I will. Adinab, Meaning of heroes.
Behave, person, people.
Behave. What is the word? People who are not scared of anything or anyone.
Brave people.
Brave people. Yes, not behave people. Brave. Tell me the spelling, Adinath. Brave.
B-R-A. കുറെ മാറ്റാനില്ലേ
V-E.
V-E.
B-R-A-V-E. Brave
ഇല്ല people.
people. Spelling.
P-E-O-P-L-E.
Yes, very good. P-E-O-P-L-E. Brave people. Heroes are brave people who are not scared of anyone or anything. Brave people. Wars we all know, right? What are wars? What are wars? Yes, fights which happen among maybe people or groups of people or nations or countries. Any kind of fight is called a war. Not small ones, the big ones, the huge ones, where lots of people, lots of weapons and all are involved. That is called wars. Fights among people or groups or countries, nations are called wars. No need to write and learn, only these three words. Put a tick mark and write the meanings. Done?
Done, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I write bags meaning.
Wags. Wars. W-A-R-S it is.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Please mute your devices, all of you.
That the child wants
Okay. Anaya, read question number 1. We have discussed this. Anaya, unmute. Page number 4. Page number 4. Read question number 1.
mention any three things that the child wants to hear about.
Yes. Any 3 things. We have discussed about so many things just now, right? We revised about all the things that the child wants to hear about. Out of all those, I want you to tell me only 3 things. Do not ask for help. Try to answer on your own. I can see that you're looking here and there asking for help. Don't do that. Be confident and try to answer on your own. Come on. Anaya, you can take help from the poem if you want. And tell me the answer.
Ma'am, our favorite we have to write.
Sorry? When I write on the board, at that time you may write in the book. Anaya, unmute. Others mute. Mention any 3 things. Any 3 things that the child wants to hear about. We have learnt about more than 10 things, right? Name only 3 things out of those. I can see the others raising their hands. Very good. But Anaya, I want the answer from you. Come on. Any 3 things. You can read from the poem if you want. Come on, be fast. Name any 3 things. Why are you so worried? Look at the poem and read from there and tell me only 3 things. Any 3 things of your choice, you can tell. There are so many things that the child wants to hear about.
Stories.
About what? Stories about?
Stories about a friendly dog.
Very good. Then?
Heroes who win wars.
Very good. Then? One more.
Fairies and their queen.
Little fairies and their queen, right?
Yes.
Yes, fantastic. As simple as that. Okay. So I'll make it even more simpler for you. Okay, we'll just take 2 or 3 things from one line of the poem. Hills. Then, what is the next word?
Valleys.
Valleys. And one more word is there in the same line.
Valleys and forest.
Forest, yes. Hills, valleys, and forests. Hills, valleys, and forests. Okay, are you confident now, Anaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what must we put at the end of the answer after completing? The full stop. Yes, you must never forget these rules. Once you have-
stop.
Ma'am, full stop. No, only full stop, right? Do you want ma'am to stop? Blah, blah, blah. Do you want? No,
No.
right? How will we learn then? Okay, okay, good. Good, children. Thank you, Anaya. So mention any 3 things that the child wants to hear about. These are just examples that I have given here. If you want, you can write the answer of your choice, but it must be a part of the poem. Make sure about it. Okay?
Name.
Aarti, second question.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Name the 3 things
Things.
in the sky that the
Child.
child wants to hear
Stories.
stories about.
About, yes. Name the 3 things in the sky that the child wants to hear stories about. 3 things in the sky. You can take help from the words in the poem. Name the 3 things in the sky that the child wants to hear stories about.
Sun, moon, stars.
Yes. It is better to add the in front of them because we are speaking about particular things, right? The sun.
Right.
Yes,
Moon.
of course.
And
The sun,
the sun, moon, and stars.
the sun, moon, and stars.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Very good, Aarti. Thank you. The sun. Now, all these are specific things, right? So why don't we add the in front of each one of them? That will help you to remember the rule also, okay? Whenever we are speaking about something specific, something in particular, we must add the in front of it. The sun, the moon, and the stars. The sun, the moon, and all these are specific objects or bodies. So we must add the in front of them. The sun, the moon, and the stars.
Ma'am, Joan Judy write the sun, moon,
Yes,
stars.
sorry?
Joan Judy write the sun, moon, and stars.
We must write like this, the sun, the moon, and the stars.
The sun, the moon, that's way. Ma'am,
Yes, Anaya?
the last class, I absent.
You were absent. I was absent.
I was absent.
No problem. Did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you remain absent for any particular class, you must watch the recorded session. That is the reason we are recording the sessions. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Full stop.
Mm. The sun, the moon, and the stars. The sun, the moon, and the stars.
I have completed, ma'am.
Okay, no need to say I have done, not done. No need to say that. Don't disturb the others who are writing and reading. Abhinav, unmute your device and read question number 1.
All lions. Name the animals.
No, I want you to read the first question itself. Mention any,
Tree.
mention any
Mention any three things
hmm,
the child wants to hear about.
Very good. What is the answer?
Hills, valleys, and forests.
Hills, valleys, and forests. Very good, my dear. Very good. Thank you. Rehan, read the second question and the answer. Unmute, Rehan. Hmm.
Animals.
No, question number 2. Question number 2, again I said. Name the 3 things.
Name the three things in the sky.
In the sky.
That the sky to hear stories about.
Child wants to hear
To hear
stories
stories
about. Okay, answer.
the
Hmm.
sun and
Mm-hmm. And should be added only in front of the last word. The sun, the moon, and
the
stars.
stars.
Yes, the sun, the moon, and the stars. Okay, good. Thank you, Rehan.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay. Manav, read question number 3.
Name the animal mentioned
Mentioned.
mentioned
Mm.
in the poem.
Mention. The word mention means said about or spoken about. Many names, many topics are mentioned in the poem, right? They are spoken about in the poem. Mentioned means something that is spoken about. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Okay, tell me the answer. Name the animals mentioned in the poem.
Tigers.
Hmm.
And what is the mention? Lion.
Tigers.
And lion.
And one more is there. Friendly.
Friendly dog.
Friendly.
Dog.
Dog. Yes, very good. Dog, comma, lion, and
Tiger.
tigers. Lions and tigers. Dog, a friendly dog. Dog, a friendly. A friendly means only one. A is used to write about or speak about one thing. Dog, lions, and tigers. Name the animals mentioned in the poem.
Tiger.
Dog, lions, and tigers.
And
Okay.
dog.
Very good, my dear. Thank you. Mohammad Rishan, Question number 4.
Tigers, lions. What do the heroes in the poem do?
What do the heroes in the poem do?
The
About whom are we asking in this question?
story.
Huh?
Story.
What do the heroes in the poem do? About whom are we asking in this question? About
About heroes.
the heroes, right?
The
Okay, so we will start the answer using the words the heroes. Now tell me the answer. The heroes, what do we do? What do they do? The heroes
win wars.
win wars. Yes, fantastic. The heroes win. W-I-N, win. Wars. W-A-R-S, wars. The heroes win wars.
Ma'am,
What do the heroes in the poem do? The heroes win wars.
and this meanings and question answers in the notebook right after the class.
Yeah, I will be sending the instructions. Accordingly, you may do.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The heroes win wars. The heroes win wars. Okay. Let's do a quick discussion about the value-based question. Daniel, unmute your device and read the first value-based question.
In the notebook, value-based question, right? The child.
I will inform you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Daniel, read. Do you think?
Do you think?
Daniel, sit down and read.
Do you think
The
that
child is?
that the child is close?
Daniel, read. Do you think the child is?
Do you think this
Is close. Close
the
to her?
to her grandmother?
Why?
Why?
Close means attached. Does she like her grandmother or not? Is the child attached to her grandmother? Does the child like her grandmother? That is the meaning of the question. So tell me the answer, Daniel. Do you think that the child is close to her grandmother?
Ma'am, we write value-based question in the.
No, I will be sending it in the group. At that time, you may write.
Okay, ma'am. She like grandmother.
Say yes or no first. When there is a yes or no question, you must say that.
Yes.
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 What is the answer then? After that, after yes, what should we write? Daniel will answer, nobody else.
She like
Yes? Who is she here?
his mother.
The child?
The child likes
Her grandmother.
her grandmother.
Now there is another question with it. Why? Why do you feel that the child likes her grandmother? Why do you feel that the child likes her grandmother? Because the child is asking her grandmother to tell something. What is that? What is that?
Stoots.
Sorry?
Stories.
Stories, yeah. The child asks her grandmother to tell her stories. Daniel is not paying attention in the class. That is why. Fumbling to get the words. Yes, Daniel? Such a simple thing. The whole poem is about stories.
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
Pay a little more attention towards what is going on in the class. Okay, Daniel?
Okay.
Okay, good effort. Thank you. Yes, the child is close to her grandmother and she asks her grandmother to tell her stories. She asks her grandmother to tell her stories. Okay. Now, Tirtha, read the next value-based question. Describe
Describe
something
something
you would like to
would like to do
hmm,
with
your grandparents
your grandparents
or someone
someone in you
your, not you, your, Y-O-U-R, your
your
family,
family.
family, or someone in your family.
First question I am not right.
It's okay, Prarthana, I will be sending it. Yes, Tirtha, try to tell me the answer in your own words.
Ma'am, you are stuck. To play.
I would
I would like to play. In my life.
play what?
I would like to play with my grandmother.
Grandmother.
Yes.
Okay, what else do you want to do?
Makeup.
Sorry? Sorry, I didn't understand.
I would like to play with my grandmother.
Yeah, after that?
I would like to play with my grandmother to play cycle.
Shuttle.
Yes.
Okay, badminton. The name of the game is badminton. Shuttle is the object that is used while playing, for playing. Okay? Badminton. You would like to play with your grandmother and you want to play badminton with her, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, my dear. Good, good. That's a good thing. So that answer, I give you the freedom to write whatever you want to do. But see to it that you are answering in complete and correct sentences. The rest of the notes I will be sending to you. Okay? Because everybody wants to do different activities with their grandparents. So you may write in your own words. Okay? It is time for me to wind up the session here. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.